Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a special announcement for all of my subscribers and anyone else watching this video. I'm excited to announce that I have launched the 2020 update to Presidential Slap. You can download this game for free on both Google Play and the Apple App Store. And so I'm asking all of my subscribers to please show your support and go check out this game. The links to download are in the description below. Now just to tell you a little of what this game is about, this is a comical voting game where players can choose which presidential candidate they disapprove of the most. They'll then get the chance to slap that candidate until they get 3 strikes, after which their score is added to a global total, which is displayed on the main menu. So far at the moment, it looks like those that have played disapprove of Joe Biden the most, but that can change quite quickly based on who's playing and how vigorously they slap the candidate that they disagree with. Our prediction is that the candidate with the most number of slaps by the time the election rolls around will ultimately end up losing the election. Now, of course, this is a completely satirical game and is not meant to endorse any presidential candidate. It's just meant for people to have fun with. So once again, if you're one of our subscribers or if you're just watching this video, please check out the links in the description below to download this game and play it for yourself. And that even goes for people that aren't living in the United States, because ultimately this game is just for fun. And so I want to thank you all for showing your support, and you can expect new tutorials in the near future. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.